What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. Saturday morning, bright and early, and we are loaded up. We got our Hoosier tire and our firewood, and we got Nala today. And we're at the VW Life compound number 1. Right, Jake?
Oh yeah.
Look, there's Jake.
What's up, old folks? I'm not calling y'all old, I'm just saying it's the name of the channel.
There you go. We're getting ready to go camping for, how do you say it? Is it NVMBRFST or is it
NVMBRFST, no vowels.
NVMBRFST.
NVMBRFST, no vowels.
Yeah, no vowels. I don't know who did that. It's weird. They're kooky folks, but it's fun. So we're gonna go do it. We're gonna camp. We're gonna go with Gary. We're gonna go pick up Alice on the way in her weird van, and Willie Boy, of course.
Willie Boy, let
everybody
know that he's here.
Do you remember Willie Boy from our New Mexico adventures? The fire alarm / deer alarm /
If there's a deer within 10 miles, he'll smell it.
Mosquito alarm. And Jake is actually going up to Oklahoma, so he's not going with us. But there's old Ziggy the bus from our trip as well, and the top secret stuff going on in there. Ooh, better not show you that. So here we go. We're getting ready to leave. We're gonna go for a drive, and then we're gonna camp and cook and drink some beer.
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
We made it!
November 5th. There's no vowels. You know.
Hey-oh! Thanks, pal. That was the Matt Jackson cam.
Yes, making a level bus is very important.
Critical. Almost as important as clean windows.
Yes, almost. Speaking of which, you have gunk. You're gonna need a wiping.
It's like don't pull that coil wire right off. Did you pinch it back
Not
there?
bad.
Yeah.
Look, it's pudding.
Yeah, so we were probably broke down probably. We probably were in an hour or two. Every time we die, sometimes we turn over and turn right up. Sometimes we
Well, we made it. Camp. Good time. Everybody's starting to fill in. Got our little campfire back here, and kind of crammed them in a little tighter than I think they would normally like, but that's how we do it. Even Mo came out. Everybody's having a good time.
Did you see the stickers we're getting? Shayla had Martin made NVMBRFST stickers that look like the coronavirus 4 with the bus.
Really? What's going on?
Yo, 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 if you like it, hit the like button right now, baby.
Every time with that. What kind of game is this?
Hey, check them out.
Brett is helping us block the wind.
It's called Block the Wind.
What's this game called?
That we're blessing the mid.
Blessing the meat. It's that time of evening again. Part of the camping trip where we're making some dinner, we're hanging out, we got the sun going down back here. People are rearranging. Since we have pretty much the whole lot for the weekend here, people are just rearranging their buses to be where they want to be. You know, moving spots, finding friends, although we're all friends. I think this is sort of the main part of the campground where we're at. We're like in the middle, and we got all the firewood, so I think we'll be having the fire tonight. So I'm making some jalapeno poppers, Mark's making some fajita beef and some chicken. It's getting to be a pretty good time. Monica's doing Monica stuff. Susie's doing Susie stuff. So we're done. We're gonna hang out for a little bit, but it's gonna be dark in a minute. We gotta get the lanterns out, so see you tomorrow morning. It's the morning, and we had breakfast and we had coffee, and it was delightful. And there's Axel. They survived. Everybody's packing up. It's time to go. It's a beautiful day. It was windy last night. We got some nice weather today. We'll walk around a little bit, pack it up. I guess my dog ended up going for a swim, which was sort of unplanned. Now I gotta take a wet, cold dog home. But let's go walk around, we'll pack up camp, and we'll hit the road.
That's awesome. So that's my go. Good morning.
It's a beautiful morning here at
It is
Mule
sure.
Shoe.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Why do you think it's called Mule Shoe? I
haven't seen a mule in a shoe anywhere.
I know.
There, a real mechanic over here. What are you doing? What are you making?
What up, dog?
Don't ignore me. What are you making?
I got it short in here, so where's your electrical tape though? So I borrowed your electrical tape.
You need more here.
No, I got it. It's perfect.
All right, all done. Buses are all lined up for the end of the camp out picture. The lake is looking beautiful right now. The weather's amazing.
Wonderful weekend.
Mark's all full of French toast.
Sunset is already over.
Watch those stickers away.
Stickers all over my flip flop. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Yep, and now imagine being a poor little doggy walking around.
Yep.
All right, end of the weekend, time to drive home. What a fun time with some amazing people. Always a good time. So we're gonna get home. Brett's having some issues. We're gonna see if we can't get him home. Link down below for the t-shirts. Like it, subscribe it, leave me a comment, you know, all the good stuff. And thanks for watching.
It's November Fest. We're here. There's the lake. There's fire. We got dogs. I'm hungry. It's time to eat.
I thought y'all might need a little minstrel sign.